Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. So we decided to get away for a couple of days. So we headed into downtown Atlanta so that I could hear all the hustle and bustle of the city and feel more at home. I'm just kidding. No, my son loves all of the city life, considering that he's, born in the country, or he lives in the country. He's been born and raised, around the rural area. So this is where we are for a couple of days, and we'll head back home. Now, I've also brought with me some crafting supplies for those quiet moments while we're sitting in our room. And while we're waiting to head back out, Josh has taken it upon himself. Say hi to the people, Josh.
Hi.
Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Josh is tinkering around on his computer trying to figure out some program. Now, what I wanted to show you guys was what I've packed with me for the long haul. I say the long haul, but I'm only going to be here for a couple of days. Now, as you've seen before, I keep my projects in this size envelope, and the plastic envelope. Now for this trip, I only brought, and of course I didn't bring my stand, so I don't have it with me, but I brought my scissors, a glue stick, the journal that I'm currently working on, which is the Victorian Women of Color journal. I brought the some rub-ons because I wanted to add those to some of the pages. Bought a few frames, things that I could do that didn't require the sewing machine, some scraps, didn't require any stitching or anything like that, just basic supplies. And then I also brought, where did it go? The labels that I just recently did in the last video. If it wasn't in the previous video, that means that this video is going up before the next video. So if it's not in this video, I'm not going to show you just in case this video goes up before the process video for this one, which it likely will because this will be a shorter video anyways. So got the labels, got the scrap pieces, got the stencils, some frames, some extra papers. Hold on just a second, guys, bear with me. Some extra papers just in case I feel inspired. These were already glued down. Again, some more full-size scraps. And the ruler. And that's it, guys. Oh, and let me just say, I had got a calendar. A calendar came in the mail from maybe a vendor that we patronize. And every month had like 6 sheets of the same month in it. So I just figured, let me go ahead and use that in the journal in some form or fashion as like a date stamp. And then another video I'm going to be doing soon is one on, what was this? This is texture paste that I purchased from maybe Amazon? Michael's. So it probably is a Michael's brand. But I just used my stencil, and I love the way that this came out. Let me see if I can. You see, look at that texture. Bow. Yeah. I hope that has inspired you to pack up some of your goods. If you're out and about during the summertime and you think you may want to do a little crafting or have some time for it when you get back to your hotel room, or when you're that's a little bit of downtime, that's a few ways to, keep your craft life active and to also keep moving on your projects, because, it's nothing like an unfinished project cluttering up the craft space. So until we're back together again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting, and don't forget to wear those masks, all right? And wash your hands. Please wash your hands.
Never saw those. That's insane.
What?
These cars being
Okay, I got you a picture of. How you doing?
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the Crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.